Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new subscription box to bring to my channel. That's right. You know, I love when I get to bring new and hopefully exciting boxes to you guys. This time it is the Dog Mom box. Do you want to see what is inside July's box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my July Dog Mom box just arrived. It's probably seen some better days. Let's go ahead and see. Now, I'm really excited to bring this because I am a dog mom. I know there are a lot of you that do watch me that are dog moms as well. Some have children, some are just strictly dog moms like myself. So I thought this would be really cool. It's supposed to have stuff for you as the human and for the dog as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and see what we have. Now, they did give me a code, which is Crafty5, and that'll give you $5 off your first month's box, which that is awesome. So Dog Mom box, are you a crazy dog mom too? No worries. This subscription box is the best for both. Not only will your pupper get goodies, but so will you. Each box comes with 5 to 8 items that you and your doggy BFF will love. So they have, if you have one dog, they have it $39.99 a month. If you have 2 dogs, it's $57.99 a month. If you have 3 dogs, you can do $75.49. A little bit about our mission. Inspired by our love for dogs, Dog Mom was created for those of us who share a special bond or obsession with our dogs. The ones who love and need anything dog related. We know accidents happen. So giving back to our community, we have chosen to help dog moms and dads in these devastating times. We have partnered up with our local veterinarian to donate 5% of our profits towards emergency vet services. So that is amazing. So since this is kind of already open, I don't need to cut the tape or using my knife. Let's just get in and hopefully nobody opened it. So right on top is a card. There is tissue. There's a little dog paw print that says thank you right on top. Okay, so it says, thank you for your order. Every box we sell, we are helping a doggy in need, which is awesome. That I do love. So there's the card. And again, Crafty5 will give you $5 off your first box. So let's go ahead and dive on in. Now, right on top, there is a little card here. It says, you're one in a melon. A message for you. Hey, Dog Mom, thank you for becoming a founding member. We hope you love our Dog Mom box as much as we do. Enjoy your goodies, XOXO, Taylor. So it says your box includes, and it tells me the items, but there's no pricing or anything like that. There's no value. So let's go ahead and see. So the first thing that I am seeing right on top, it says your dog is one in a melon, a 4-ounce watermelon whipped sugar scrub. There's that. And it says purple vertigo candles.etsy.com. It does have a slight watermelon smell to it, so I'm excited about that because I really love watermelon. This is the sugar scrub that came in the box, and I tried it out last night because I was so excited. And this, honestly, this is not a sugar scrub. This looks like an overprocessed, it feels like an overprocessed hard gelatin. I get sugar scrubs all the time, and there's no sugar, there's no grain, there's nothing. I literally seriously tried this last night. This is like, look at this. This is not a sugar scrub. There's no sugar about it. There's not one grain of sugar at all. My man literally just bought a fresh watermelon and put some in the blender and made watermelon juice, and I'm like, it was so good. I've been eating watermelon like so much the last few days, and I love it. I love watermelon. This must be for that. So there's that. We have okay, there is a sucker, which is what a melon. So I guess it's a watermelon sucker. Going with the watermelon theme, I'm thinking. Next we have is a crunchy 7-inch premium duck recipe chew. Whoa, I don't give these. This is so hard. I don't give this style to my dog because she doesn't do anything with these. If it's so hard that she can't chew it, she won't even touch it. So this, I'm not quite sure, but I know Vienna's not going to touch this. But here is a toy for her, or a chew. Next item in here is Kong Core Strengthening Reinforced Core. Kong is a good brand for dog toys. She doesn't have one like this, so hopefully she will like this and enjoy it. So here is a Kong toy for the fur baby, which this will go to Vienna. She is loving this new bone. Vienna. So one thing for Vienna, one thing for me. There's a snack for me, but that snack for her, she's not going to eat. Next thing in here is a watermelon scrunchie. There's a card right there. Next we have is a watermelon bandana. Now they do ask you what size your dog is, so maybe that's how they tailor this, because this is not definitely a one size fits all when it comes to dogs. I don't know how this is going to fit around her. I will try it on. There's that. And the last item in here is this hat. Give me all the dogs. So it says, give me all the dogs, and it is just a normal kind of hat. Are you guys seeing a $40 value here? Because I'm having a lot of trouble seeing a $40 value. I'm having a lot of trouble seeing a $40 value right now. Hold on. Okay, you guys, so I did a little research. I went ahead and went to my good old Google. I love me some Google. And I found this company right here on Etsy, because there's her Etsy shop. She doesn't have this particular watermelon one, but there is, I think, 6 different ones on her site right now. And the way hers are presented, there's like a little like cute like ribbon or a little piece of tulle, and this little thing is actually attached to it. Ours is not, it's just thrown in the box, but that is $12 for this 4 ounce for the other scent. So I'm assuming this is a $12 value. This I found on Etsy, and this is about $10 to $11 at the most. This I'm finding on Etsy all over, anywhere from $3 to $5 for a small watermelon same printed bandana. This scrunchie I'm finding about $3, but on her site that this shows, I do not see this. It's more like really cute like bows for kids, like little girls, like for photography like type things, not like just standard scrunchies. So I can't find the real value from this particular person, but this same exact print is on an Etsy shop for like $2 to $3. One thing I did see on this bandana is there is like this rough edge. It's not even sewn completely, and you do have this rough edge chilling right here. I think I could probably sew a better bandana, but okay. This right here you can find on Target, Chewy.com, and another one for $7.99. This you can find at Walmart for $1.79, and the blow pops, you know, are what, 25 cents, 50 cents. So everything all together is about $40. That's it. But if you're spending $40 on a box, I'm going to expect to have a higher value than you pay, because then what's the point? You can go and buy these yourself. I did send them a message telling them I am kind of a little disappointed in their box for $40. I feel like there should have been something more. I don't have like something that just like calls me like, oh my gosh, this is an amazing item. Not even like one amazing item. To me, this box is not worth the value, but I'm willing to give them, I did do 3 months. I'm willing to see what happens next month before I try to cancel early. If I'm going to, I don't know. They did say that it's definitely a value. I mean, I did my research and I found these everywhere, and I'm only coming up with $40.03 at the highest. I'm sure you can find them cheaper, and especially if you buy in bulk, you do get discounted rates. This is not a discounted, rate. This is if you go and just buy them yourself. So if that's the case, and all these are pretty much giving you free shipping anyways, why would you buy a subscription box is my question. So what do you guys think? Do you think this was worth it? I really just don't like the ones that it's like borderline, or they're not worth the value. Every subscription box that I do has a very good return on investment, I guess you would say, where this one, you're barely getting what you pay for. And that's just the part that's just unsettling to me. And I only want to bring you guys the best. I want you to only go fall into the hype if it's worth the hype. But this one right now, to me, I'm iffy on. Especially since I just did another one that was horrible the other day. So it's like, oh my gosh, here we go again. And I don't like that. I love bringing new and exciting things, and I love being excited about it and pumped about it. But this is just... I don't know how to feel right now, you guys. I mean, this hat, like I said, I'm not going to wear this hat. I don't wear ball caps. I don't wear hats. It's just something that I don't do. I have one from another company that I'm going to use, but I'm not going to wear this. Plus, I don't like this old faded look. There's not even a tag on it to make it even look like it's new. This just, to me, I don't like that distressed look. That's just not my thing. And again, my dog's not going to use this, plus it's only $1 something. A homemade scrunchie, which we can all make these. A bandana, you can get these anywhere. I do like that they try to stick with a theme because of the watermelon. I do love watermelon, so I'm excited about this only, and I'm hoping my dog will like this. So out of everything, these are probably the only 2 things that I and my dog will like. Is this worth $40? Hell no. So you guys let me know what you think down below. Your positive interaction with me means the world. And again, you guys, I'm only going to be completely honest. I'm not going to fabricate something and say that it's amazing when it's really not. If I pay for it, if I get it sent for a review, which I paid for this, but it doesn't matter how I get the box, I'm always going to come to you with my 100% honesty, and I'm always going to be upfront with you guys. And to me, I would be very, very upset with myself if I made it seem like this was good and you went and bought this and you were upset with it. So maybe wait until next month. We'll see what they do. They did tell me that they're going to, keep learning and growing every month. They are a newer company. So I know a lot of people have to start somewhere. When they first start out, they don't have the type of connections and stuff like that they need to give an amazing box. So I'm willing to give them at least another 1 or 2. I did do a 3-month subscription, so I do have 2 more boxes coming to me anyways. So let's hope that they do get better and next month will be better. I'm hoping for that. Just, again, I'm not a hat wearer, and this other stuff is just little, it's kind of like mediocre to me. So yeah. So you guys, let me know what you think. Again, I love to hear what you think. Am I wrong? Am I right? I feel the way that I feel, and I can't help that. So thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. If you're not already, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would have hit that subscribe button down below. And then you can see the videos that I do upload for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.